Coming to our vaccination system, if you want to get lifelong immunity for a disease, you must suffer from the disease. That's the best way to do it, because your body produces antibodies, and many of them may not be lifelong. Now, to say that the present chemically altered vaccines produced from various sources having such preservatives which are very dangerous to the human body, that you should load a young child, newborn child. In the United States, about 59 vaccines are given to a child. I don't know, I'm not a vaccine specialist, but to me, as a human being, it looks horrible. It looks really horrible. Beyond that, I don't want to say, because I am not a vaccine scientist. And the data that they give you, the statistics that they give you, is not the true statistics. It's all because the drug companies selling vaccines want to manufacture statistics to show that vaccines are very good. But there are people who have not vaccinated their children. I met one young lady today, and I have got a large collection of them. They are all very happy, and I am happy for them. The one vaccine or one vaccination system that prevented one disease from this world, only one disease, that is smallpox, is a vaccination of the Ayurvedic system. For thousands of years we have been practicing it here. I won't go again into the detail because it's a very big detail. If you want to know, there is an article of mine called Indian Vaccination System for Smallpox. You can read it on the internet. And if you want to know, if you are one of those scientists, the original writing about the Indian vaccination system by a British scientist in 1747 is still there in the Royal College of Physicians of London in a glass case. You can go and see that. His name is Dr. T.Z. Holwell. He was an FRCP London FRS, a great scientist who came to India in 1742 and stayed on for 20 years studying the vaccination system in the Bengal, which the Bengal is almost the northeast of India and Burma today. And he went back and reported to the king that the Indian vaccination system protects against smallpox, and they modified it slightly, and they have done it. That's the only thing that I know is 100% good. Rest, I don't know is the answer, sir.